Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover text messages on Android. First of all, open the Messages app on your phone. Then hold and press on any random message and click to delete it. Once you delete the message, click on three dots and go into Trash from here. You will find the delete message in here. Hold and press on the message, then click to restore it. And then you will be able to see the message back in your inbox. After that, open up the Play Store and search for Message Recovery app from mobile. Then tap to open the Deleted Messages Recovery app. Click to install the app, and once you install the app, you can see all of your deleted messages in here. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.